Now you can see, so it comes with a transmitter now because apparently DJI Spark, when they came out, so they had to introduce the transmitter. But like I said, they're selling it now for $150. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I think the reason why they went that far because they have so many competition now, so that's a good thing. And the Breeze, it'd be nice if it has an obstacle avoidance on it. I don't know what's the future with Yuneec. I think they should come up with the micro drones. You know, they're a pretty big company. They should. Anyways, I did flown Yuneec brand. Actually, the Typhoon H. It's pretty big. You know, kind of like the Inspire. But having the Inspire 1, it was just well, Typhoons. I decided to like, wow. So anyway, we're gonna go to unbox this right here. Now I'm unboxing it. See what's inside with this guy here. Just a second. Wow, it's really sealed. You can see. All right. Comes with a decent box. Wow. For $150, guys. Let's see how good this Breeze is going to be. If you guys did not see, I do reviews. You guys are gonna see my I do extreme reviews, and I put this guys to like extreme level. Anyways, wow, I'm opening it right now. So it comes with this nice, decent box for $150, guys. I don't know if you guys can not. It comes with a case too. So it comes with a nice case. See that? It has the bottom sensing going on. And it has the camera also. Pretty beefy. You know. If I put this to my Tello, this guy will be bigger. But it comes with one batteries. This one is 11.1 volts. It's 1500 milliamp. So pretty good on that. Pretty beefy. So I think this guy's competition is basically Spark and some other competitors out there. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and what's this guy's all about. So it comes with the case, it comes with the battery, all the goodies, I guess you can call it. But for $150 with a GPS quad, it's not bad, yeah. And it's also an app on this guy here, and it's 4K. You got 13 megapixel camera on it, so it's pretty decent, you know. So it comes with the transmitter. Let's go ahead and look at the controller. Got this controller here. Check the inside. So yeah, so you get a controller, Breeze controller, and you get this guy here. I guess you gotta push it up too. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and check them all out. And it comes with this brick battery bank here. You can charge your device. I'm trying to get in there, it won't come out. side. Yeah. So you get this here. This is what you get for $150. See, that's a good thing. I like competition. You know, because when you do competitions like this, the price go drop. And I know when this thing first came out, it used to be around like what, 300 or so, or 350. I don't know how much it was. But anyway, it's a good thing. And you get these props here, easy to put on. You just push it in there and it's already on there, so it's a good thing. But anyway, check it out. You can get this at Walmart. You can buy this anywhere. Amazon for $150. Target for a GPS quad with a bottom sensing. It's not bad. You know, I don't know the future of Breeze. I'm sorry, with Yuneec. What's gonna be the new outcome on this guy? I don't know if they're gonna put obstacle avoidance, because for this kind of drone, if you want to be in a market with competing with the DJI Spark, or competing it with Mavic, if they do come out with portable design drones, you know, you gotta have obstacle avoidance, especially for this kind of size. But for you getting it for $150, I think it's a good buy. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna put this guy in the field, and I'm gonna put this guy on extreme condition. So don't forget to tune into my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and you're gonna see it all and get that bell notification, and you're gonna see this guy and see what this guy can do. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it also comes with this beefy case. So, all right, and it's 4K. So we're gonna go ahead and check this guy out and go from there. So thank you for watching again. Appreciate it.